the Rocketfish wireless NB keypad, which is a portable keypad for your computer system that connects your keyboard or to your computer, either as a laptop or a desktop, via a USB 2.0 jack, and then wirelessly connects the little keypad here into your computer. So it's a wireless solution that connects over a flash drive, kind of like wireless mouse sets. The wireless flash drive is stored on the back of the device, which is hidden underneath the cover. So in case you're traveling or whatever, you won't even notice the flash drive being present, which is a nice feature. It also runs on one AAA battery, which conserves energy, and it lasts for a very long time. The Rocketfish wireless NB keypad has a lot of attention to detail. It's got a great tilted display and angle for better viewing. It's a monochrome display without a backlight, so it's great for viewing indoors with a little bit of light, and outdoors. It's not going to glare. You've also got the D-pad itself, which is well placed, and all the numbers are really risen above the surface. They're easy to feel around by feel, and the layout is really reasonable from just a 1 to 9 style keypad. And there's also additional enter and delete plus or minus keys for a few calculator functions. You also notice that the silver is really smooth and it's just well placed for if you've got your hand, you can just directly press it and it feels really comfortable. And in addition, you'll notice a lot of attention to detail, like the Rocketfish logo. And once you turn the device to the back, you'll notice that entire backing is made out of red rubber, which is like this. It's soft touch, it's grippy, and so it shows a lot of attention to detail, kind of like HTC products where you open the battery cover and the internals are red. The same thing is going on here. It shows a lot of nice subtle changes that show a lot of detail. The USB adapter itself allows the device to be wireless up to quite a large distance. It'll be fine inside offices. You can take the device around and you won't even feel limited by the wireless capabilities. Signal receiving device is strong, and the data will be sent over pretty fast to your computer. And you'll notice that on the USB there is a connect button. This is also an LED that glows blue, and when you press it, it connects the device to the base, which you can also press connect here and doing the same thing. So again, this is actually a multifunctional computer number pad. So some laptops actually lack dedicated number pad, or they try to use the number pad and place it on the top row of the QWERTY keyboard, which is kind of an awkward placement. This allows people to more easily navigate and use a number D-pad by having a separate, better layout that's more spacious and doesn't take up any room on their laptop. So the keys are really tactile and easy to press. They're not chiclet style though, but they're really easy to use, and it works really well. Whenever you want to input any numbers or any press enter or delete for typing and stuff and backspace, it works really well on the device. But this device is also a separate dedicated calculator. Once you place the battery inside here and you turn the device on, it also acts as your separate little calculator. It's a basic calculator, but you'll find that it's more than great for your needs. Right now it's displaying that the device is off, but you can also turn it on, and you press the mode button to actually activate between the different settings. So pressing the mode button once takes you to the regular wireless keyboard setting, where you can just use it as a wireless keyboard on your computer, and the computer will be indicating that you're typing in numbers and doing deletes and doing stuff in Word. You can also send this information over. And there's also pressing the mode again, it becomes a normal calculator. This is really cool. It becomes just a dedicated little space tool, and you can just do like 75 plus 5 and enter, it equals 67. It's just the basic functions all work well. You can delete them. There's also this multiplication, division, 5, there's also 4, and just all these buttons that work nicely, and it's a nice integration of doing multiple settings in one multifunctional tool that works well. Best of all, the Rocketfish NB wireless numeric keypad is really inexpensive. It's only going to run you around $15, which is really cheap. And if you've got a QWERTY keyboard on your laptop that's really cramped and doesn't have a dedicated number pad, you might consider this as an option to expand and to make it easier on yourself if you input a lot of numbers. So thank you for watching here at OSReviews.com. Check out our full review on our website.